go now? Or do I have to wait another 10 years?
Why every now and then can we go now?
Because we've been standing at the same place for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes.
So,
What do you mean, so? We should probably go now? Means that side?
we already went that side.
No, that side. There is more room there. So there should be another. This place is really beautiful. You want to sit down for a while? That is very much on my New Year's resolution. Glowing bunny. Very interesting, isn't it?
Hello. Hello.
I wonder why these deer are looking up. Is there something phenomenal?
Come, let's take a photo here.
We should go in there because, it'd be nice to take a picture up close.